Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Apple Intelligence where it matters, in Settings and Messages. Open Siri and Search or Messages preferences and switch on predictive suggestions, writing assistance, and any message shortcuts. Once enabled, give permission for contacts and shortcuts so suggestions use your context. This improves relevance. Now compose a short test message to trigger suggestions, because seeing the model in action confirms everything is active. Make sure to allow on-device processing for privacy and speed. This changes response time and local accuracy. Once active, interact with inline suggestions and prompts inside messages. Tap a suggested phrase, apply a tone change, or accept a grammar edit. You want to practice using smart replies and the summarization tool for long threads because they save typing and keep context. Make sure to edit suggested text before sending to keep your voice consistent, and add personal phrases in shortcuts to teach Apple Intelligence your style. If suggestions feel off, refine contacts and recent messages so the model learns better context. You finish messages by reviewing suggested edits and confirming the tone. This ensures accuracy and avoids accidental context leaks. Once done, use shortcuts or templates for recurring messages so Apple Intelligence speeds future texting. If suggestions stop appearing or feel wrong, toggle Intelligence off and on, clear recent data, or check contacts permissions. This often resolves model confusion. Finally, make sure on-device processing and latest iOS updates are installed, because updates and local processing improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.